Is it time to buy or sell Apollo Global Management LLC stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apollo Global Management LLC. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Apollo Global Management LLC as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.28. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 45.2% since we first listed Apollo Global Management LLC as a buy candidate 68 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.66% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a strong upward trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $169.24 is broken, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 44.56% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 43.05% to 56.45%. Meanwhile, the 12-month trend suggests a 52.94% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 10.27% and 61.42%. This translates to a price range of $188.59 to $276.07 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apollo Global Management LLC features the headline, Green Day on Friday for Apollo Global Management LLC. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, the stock price for Apollo Global Management LLC increased by 0.83%, rising from $169.63 to $171.03. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.45%, with a low of $167.40 and a high of $174.85. While the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 3.83% over this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indication. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a combined total of 12 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $189.42, while the lowest stood at $89.78. Currently, the stock price is 9.71%, or $18.39, below the 52-week high of $189.42, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Apollo Global Management, traded under the ticker symbol APO, is making headlines as it prepares to join the prestigious S&P 500 index on the 23rd of December, 2024. This inclusion has already sparked a positive response in the market, with shares rising over 6%. Being part of the S&P 500 is significant for Apollo, as it can attract institutional investment and enhance the stock's visibility, potentially leading to further price appreciation in the long term. However, not all news is favorable. Recently, the United Food and Commercial Workers Union has urged the Securities and Exchange Commission to investigate concerns related to the SPDR SSGA Apollo Investment Grade Public and Private Credit Exchange Traded Fund, which could cast a shadow over Apollo's private credit ventures. Additionally, inquiries into the acquisition of Barnes Group by Apollo raise questions about the adequacy of the sale price, which may affect investor sentiment and short-term stock performance. Further impacting the company is the ongoing dialogue regarding succession planning for Chief Executive Officer Mark Rowan, whose political aspirations could introduce volatility into governance considerations. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned APO an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned APO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned APO an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned APO an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned APO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apollo Global Management LLC stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also deemed strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Apollo Global Management LLC. Apollo Global Management LLC stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term moving average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $173.64. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is expected to find support from the long-term average at around $168. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 11, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 4.32%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently being generated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some signals that could catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 29 days ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 63 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apollo Global Management LLC. Apollo Global Management LLC finds support from accumulated volume at $169.63. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.45, which is a change of 4.45% between its high and low points. In the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apollo Global Management LLC, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either modest expectations for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 13th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.92. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apollo Global Management LLC. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apollo Global Management LLC is $172.40. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to evaluate for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Apollo Global Management LLC faces its first support level at $169.63. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Apollo Global Management LLC from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of December, 2024, Zelter James C. conducted an insider sale of 112,560 shares of common stock. On the same day, Belardi James Richard conducted an insider sale of 28,200 shares of common stock. On the 11th of December, 2024, Belardi James Richard conducted an insider sale of 1,500 shares of common stock. On that same day, he also conducted an insider buy of 500 shares of common stock. On the 9th of December, 2024, Rowan Mark J. conducted an insider buy of 600,000 shares of a forward sale contract, which is an obligation to sell. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 66.792. In total, insiders purchased 640,394 shares and sold 3,593,083 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $162.20, which reflects a decrease of 5.16%. This stock experiences low daily movements, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 7 days ago. Is Apollo Global Management LLC stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current situation may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood that Apollo Global Management LLC stock will perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of December, we anticipate that Apollo Global Management LLC will open with an increase of approximately $0.0633 and start trading at $171.09. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.